Alright you guys, here are all of the finished eggs that Miss Ann has done this whole entire week, including the galaxy eggs that Miss Ann made right here. That was the ones that we did with the oil and the vinegar dyed eggs. And the rice shaker eggs, which an example of that one is right here. Along with these are the Kool-Aid marbled eggs that we did right here. Miss Ann is going to put close-ups of all of these because it's really hard to see kind of how cool they look in the video. So Miss Ann has taken pictures of all of these and she's going to put them at the end of this video so you can see close-ups of all of these. And we're going to have links if you decide you want to make any of these yourself to the how-to videos that we have on YouTube of all of these things that Miss Ann did this whole entire week. So there are links in the description for all of these. So I hope that you guys had fun doing this with Miss Ann. I had a good time. I think that it was pretty fun. I think egg decorating is cool. If you just do the normal stuff where you buy the kit, if you try to be more experimental and do something that's a little bit more nutty like this. Or you could, even if you want to go crazy, try to mix some of these processes together. So I hope that you had fun, and I hope that you guys try some of these. Come to the library and tell me if you did. And I hope you have a lovely weekend, and we will see you next week. Bye, guys.